horns that has been made. I'm talking to him. I'm a cattleman. I did raise cattle in Oklahoma. They load up white-tailed deer. They take them to sales just like you do cattle. You know very well. His deer is sought after. He comes out of Biloxi, Texas. Now, his other truck was a sledgehammer. Well, this is a sledgehammer. His other truck is hammer time. This is the sledgehammer. This other truck is one association point, but this is his newest truck. He likes to drive this one. But as of yet, he can't beat his original truck. We're going to go out and try this again. It ain't over. It's not over. Unless he got a problem. Now, he didn't go 100 foot. Every puller, each and every puller has the option. That's what they're going to do. They're going to drag him back. He was trying to drive just like his hired gun did a while ago. You notice that a while ago when the hammer time truck come out, he was just trying to build to it very slowly. Tried to build to it very slowly. They don't want to blow the tires off down there on that end because the way the track is, they might not be able to catch up with it. So he's riding the fine line, trying to slide that clutch and just get out. And like they just told me over the radio, he's trying to drive it like an automatic. He actually told me that last night he's going to drive it different now. He's trying to practice a little bit. So, trying to work it with RPM. It's a slider clutch. You work with RPM or you work with your foot. But I think he's going to change. He done found out that might not